Good morning, good morning. Toronto, Canada, Joe Philcan here. Good morning, everyone. This is the effect of last night's storm. So let's take a look. Wow. The cars are driving slow. The road is still not clean. Our car is buried on snow. We were expecting 35 centimeters of snow last night. So we're here in Toronto, Canada. This school is canceled and my son stayed home too. We're all staying home. As you can see, the road is not clean. Later on, we're gonna shovel and enjoy the snow. Guys, please be safe. Drive slow, walk slow, and enjoy your day with your family. All right. Bye for now. God bless everyone.